for East Central Dakota County, North Central Goodhue County, and southeastern Minnesota, northwestern Pierce County, southwestern St. Croix County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southeast of Prescott, or 11 miles northwest of Red Wing, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ellsworth and River Falls. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is weather radio.
Not okay. I'm terrified.
Moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Goddamn, I'm terrified.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured.
You can go on.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of central Pierce County, including the following locations: Beldenville, El Paso, Martell, and Estill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Did you activate? Yeah, you did.
This is weather radio station W. St. Croix County, South Central Polk County, in northwestern Wisconsin, until 10 p.m. At 9:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Magnus Heights to Oakdale to near Cottage Grove, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Hotson's in it.
Severe thunderstorms will be near Stillwater, Hugo, and Bayport around 9:20 p.m. Hudson and North Hudson around 9:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Forest Lake, Somerset, Roberts, Scandia, New Richmond, Chisago City, Lindstrom, Osceola, Center City, Taylor's Falls, Dresser, and Star Prairie. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Seven cities have issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Goodhue County in southeastern Minnesota, Pierce County, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles southwest of Wells to near Goodhue to Zumbrota, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Welch around 9:40 p.m. Red Wing around 9:45 p.m. Bay City around 9:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Ellsworth, Elmwood, and Plum City. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for central Goodhue County in southeastern Minnesota, eastern Pierce County, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Welch, or near Red Wing, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Bay City around 9:50 p.m. Ellsworth around 9:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Plum City. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.